Underwriters continue to be more scrutinous of client environments, of organizations, vulnerabilities, soft spots, and weaknesses. We're seeing further scrutiny wing to wing. We saw that with the creation of the ransomware supplementals over the past couple of years, when organizations were in the process of, going to market for cyber insurance with us. We're seeing other supplementals related to OT environments, so on and so forth. Direct inquiries on supply chain, biometric info. I mentioned the use of operational technology. So again, more and more scrutiny from underwriters. And again, carriers mitigating their risk, they're scaling back or potentially not offering ransomware-related coverage if a client has poor controls.